Student, students, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Right. So, do you all receive the assignment? Have you all received the assignment?
Sir, no.
No assignment with you.
Sir, which one?
Data handling.
Sir, that was done previous worksheet.
Latest one. There is one more assignment.
Sir, that is not given.
2 marks, 3 marks questions are there in that. Let me check, bacha, just a moment. Right, students. So, what all we have done in this chapter? Data handling. Students, can you hear me? Yes, students. Are you distributing the assignments? Right. हाँ जी. चलिए, everyone got the assignment? So note of please. Chलिए, students, we are going to start now. Yes.
Sir,
Open your.
sir, please 2 minutes.
Open it out. Yes. Can you start? Shall we start, students? So we.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Sir, we have just a science. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in 5 minutes we will get math assignments. You can continue.
Right. So students, first question we have in the assignment. The grade achieved by 30 students. there are 30 students in a class, and the grade, when you see your report card, so there are different grades, right? So grades of the student are given here. I am writing the grades of all 30 students. These are the grades obtained by 30 students of a class. Right, bachcho, these are the डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया। For your help, I have written the first question, बच्चों। First question देखिए बेटा। In an examination, the grades achieved by 30 students, 30 students of a class are given below. Arrange this grade in a table using tally marks. All of the students, please look at the first question of the assignment. No noise, please. No noise, no talking. Please look at the board, everyone. I have written the question on the board. Now you have to arrange these grades in the tally marks form, right? Please do it, students. You know how to arrange this in tally marks? Here, what you will write? Grades. And here, frequency. Right, Bachcho? Can you arrange that? Grades A, B, C, D, and E. Just calculate how many A's are there. Out of 30, how many A? 1, 3, only 3? So this will be 1, 2, 3, and frequency will be how many B's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, bachcho? Is this clear? Next is C. How many C's? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it clear? Ten. How many D's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So I am writing here D. So D has 6. How many E? 3. बच्चों, the total is 30 or not? Total of all is 30. Question is clear to you? चलिए next question पे चलते हैं बच्चों. Now second question. Fill in the blanks in the following table which represent shirt size of 40 students of a school. Can you do your? One 30 size is 3. How many 32? Number of students? 5. How many 34? Draw the A. How many 36? 7. Complete the 38 tally marks.
10.
And what about 40?
7.
Okay, सबको बच्चों? Now come to the 3 markers. The number of two-wheelers owned individually by each of 50 families are listed below. Make a table using tally marks. Please do it. This is the same question as the first one. Please no talking, बच्चों. Please do this question. Question 3. Number of vehicles. Number of two-wheelers. Tally marks. The number of two-wheelers owned individually by people. Right. Tally marks. बनाइए बच्चे इसका करो. बताया बेटा कैसे करना है क्वेश्चन. Everyone knows how to do this question or not? जैसे अभी हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया, सेम वे से you can do it. How many number of students, number of wheelers are there? Two wheelers. It starts from 0. So what? Yes, 3 and 4. Two talking. किसी को नहीं समझ आ रहा तो प्लीज रेज योर हैंड, बट नो टॉकिंग. सेकंड बैंड, नो टॉकिंग बच्चों.
How many students I have? Do it fast.
Have you done? How many of you have done? And बाकी लोग जल्दी से कीजिए.
First student said, I have done. Raise your hand. Third question.
हाँ जी, प्रियांशी फ्रॉम सेक्शन ए, प्रियांशी फ्रॉम सेक्शन ए। आ जाओ बेटा, अपनी नोटबुक लेके आना जरा। हाँ, बना लिया ना आपने प्लीज। Have you done it?
Sir, yes.
बताइए, how many
Sir,
zero?
0, 3.
How many one?
Sir, 28.
No discussion.
8 बेटा है। 5 1 2 3 10 4 25 and 20, right? How many twos?
Sir, 2 are 14.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, right? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4, ठीक है ये? How many three?
Sir, 4.
1 2 3.
No discussion last.
How many four?
Sir, 1.
इन सबका टोटल 50 बन रहा है बेटा?
Sir, yes.
Yes. ठीक है बच्चों? Is this clear? Very good बेटा, प्रियांशी, very good. Please sit down. Right. Come. Everyone note it down. Come to the question 4. The number of bottles of cold drink sold by shopkeeper on 6 consecutive day is as follows. बच्चे, आपको डेटा गिवन है, नंबर ऑफ कोल्ड ड्रिंक सोल्ड ऑन ईच डे ऑफ द वीक. You have to draw a pictograph of the data using one symbol to represent 50 bottles. Right? So how you will represent this? Right here days. Sunday. Monday. Right? Right बच्चों? हो जाएगा ये? You have to represent one bottle is equal to 50, one symbol equal to 50 bottles, right? So how many bottles will be there in on Sunday? कितनी ड्रॉ करेंगे बेटा? Yes. बेटा देखिए, संडे को दे रहा है 350 bottles and one symbol will represent 50. So how many symbols you will draw? बताइए बताइए, फ्रंट बेंच बेटा बोलिए. 7. So हम क्या ड्रॉ करें? यहाँ पे बॉटल ड्रॉ कर ले. बॉटल ही ड्रॉ कर लो बेटा यहाँ पे ना, राइट? ठीक है, ड्रॉ कर दो बेटा. हाउ मेनी बॉटल्स यू विल ड्रॉ ऑन मंडे? हाउ मेनी?
4.
हाउ मेनी ट्यूसडे?
6.
Wednesday?
5.
Thursday? Peter, front bencher, please don't talk. Side one. Better be serious, don't laugh. Friday?
3.
You have to write.
Yes, ma'am. Anything? Yes, ma'am.
Sir, kindly tell one thing to the students. They forget to represent the key, which key they have used.
Student, whenever you draw, please write on the side कि बॉटल जो आपने भी बनाई है, मेरी ड्राइंग थोड़ी सी अच्छी नहीं है, वट एवर यू ड्रॉ, 1 bottle is equal to 50 bottles, right? So you have to write the conversion. ठीक है? In the pictograph, you representing this 1 bottle represent 50 bottles. This is clear? Or one symbol represent 50. This is clear? So please write this. Otherwise, your mark, 1 mark will be deducted for this. बेटा पेपर हमारे पास ही आने चेकिंग के लिए, तो 1 mark कट जाएगा आप लोगों का. क्लियर बच्चों? Right? Friday, how many bottles? Saturday? Saturday close है शॉप. ठीक है जी. चलो आगे चलते हैं बेटा. Question number 5. The number of scouts in a school is depicted by the following pictograph. You know what is scout? आपके स्कूल में भी होगा ना स्काउट एंड गाइड्स. Yes or no? Anyway, देखिए यहाँ पे अब आपको बेटा एक पिक्टोग्राफ गिवन है एंड सी on the top right of the pictograph symbol is given and it is given how much scouts this symbol represents. So this is very very important, right? Now comes to the question. There are different classes 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and there are scouts from each class. Now please tell me how many scouts are there from 7th class? How many scouts are there? देखिए there are 2 symbols are represented and 1 symbol is equal to 10. How many scouts?
20.
Now comes to the question. Observe the pictograph and answer the following question. Question number A. Which class has the minimum number of scouts? Arman Chaudhary from section B.
Arman Chaudhary. Where is Arman? Yes.
Sir, which class has the minimum number of scouts?
Sir, 10th class.
Speak loudly.
Which class has the maximum number of scouts?
Sir, 10th class.
Minimum.
Maximum. Sir, 8th class.
Class. How many?
Yes.
3, 4, 5. Sir, 6. Sir, 6. Sir, 60.
Write it down. Anji, Dilsirat Kaur. Dilsirat Kaur from section C.
From section C, Sir, she is not present. She is not present.
Tanvi.
Sanvi. माइक ही पास कर दीजिए. पास का माइक.
बेटा वहीं पे रहो आप, माइक मैम वहीं पे दे देते हैं.
पास का माइक.
हाँ जी बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. How many scouts are there in class 6?
Sir, C question. Sir, 40. 40.
D question. Which class has exactly 4 times the scout as that of class 10?
Sir, D.
D question. Which class exactly scout as
6.
6? देखिए बच्चे, in class 10 there are 10 scouts and in class 6 there are 40. So in class 6 there are 4 out of class 10. Next student आ जाए बेटा, हरमनजीत सादरा.
पास का माइक.
हाँ जी बेटा, एक पार्ट.
Sir, yes.
पार्ट करिए बेटा. What is the total number of scouts in the class 6 to 10?
Sir, 160.
Very good. Please sit down. Yes, yes. Next question पे आ जाते हैं बच्चों. A survey was carried out in a certain school to find out, no talking, to find out the popular school subject among students of class 6 to 8. That the data in this regard is displayed as pictograph given below. And one symbol represents 50 students. Right? So these are the different subjects given and the number of students. Okay, each student is subject studying. So now Tanvi from section B. वहीं पे आ जाता है आपके पास. आपके पास असाइनमेंट है. असाइनमेंट
Yes.
असाइनमेंट
Sir, yes.
तो जरा और मेरी तरफ देख के बोलो जरा. हाँ जी. 6 क्वेश्चन का ए पार्ट. Which subject most popular among the students? Yes.
Hindi.
How many?
Hindi. Sir, Hindi and math.
आप ये जो मैथ है ना बेटा, ये देखिए ये हाफ बुक दिखाई हुई है एक तरह से. जो बुक जो है टिल्टी है ना, दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स 25 स्टूडेंट्स. ये इन्होंने दिया नहीं है, बट सिंस मैथमेटिक्स एंड सोशल स्टडी में ये शो किया है ना बेटा,
Sir, yes.
this shows that this symbol represent 25.
25 students.
Of 50 students, and when you have this student is 25, right बच्चों?
Sir, yes.
नो टॉकिंग बेटा, ये नोट डाउन कर लो अपने यहाँ पे ना, सिंबल ड्रॉ कर लो ये पहले तो. एवरीवन प्लीज ड्रॉ दिस सिंबल इन योर असाइनमेंट. हाँ जी बेटा, अब जरा आंसर करो फर्स्ट पार्ट. Which subject is the most popular among the students?
Sir, Hindi is most popular among the students.
How many students like mathematics?
Sir, 175.
175. Very good. Sit down. Vaishnavi Kaushal. Vaishnavi Kaushal. हाँ जी बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Yes बेटा, C part. Find the number of students who like subjects other than mathematics and science.
Sir, 450.
मैंने कैलकुलेट कर रखा है. 7 and 450 तो नहीं है बेटा.
Sir, 425.
Yes, 425. Next question. That's it. 3 ही क्वेश्चन है. Please sit down बेटा. चलिए मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ इसमें. बैठ जाइए. हाँ जी. Listen question carefully, students. How many students are more in science as compared to social studies? How many students are more in science as compared to social studies? हाँ जी, कौन? साहिब सिंह नागरा. नागरा.
Sir, he has gone for practice.
रोहन सिंह.
Rohan, Mike. Sir, 25.
How will you explain me how 25? आपके पेमेंट कहाँ पे दीजिए आप आदमी
Sir, 25.
कैसे आएगा आएंगे आप मुझे हाउ 25 प्लीज
Sir,
बोलो
sir, because social study book is half representing 25.
how many total students who opt for social study are सोशल स्टडी पढ़ने वाले टोटल बच्चे कितने हैं बेटा
Sir, 75.
अरे
मैम बोल दिया.
राइट
Sir, yes.
तो डिफरेंस 25 सिट डाउन नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट आ जाए जरा हरमनदीप सिंह सेक्शन बी
हाँ हाँ पीछे ही है.
हाँ जी हरमन राइट बेटा
Sir, yes.
यस क्वेश्चन इज
Answer problem.
Question is, what is the sum total of English, SST and Hindi? English, SST and Hindi.
English.
And Hindi.
Sir, 1 minute. कितने?
Sum total of Hindi.
Sir, English. वो कितने हैं? Sir, 435.
405. Sit down, beta. Next, Prabtej Singh Sangha. Prabtej.
Sir, he's going in music.
Section B.
Anshu.
दे दो बेटा माइक दे दो बेटा इन्होंने जो आंसर दिया था 435 इज दैट करेक्ट
Sir, wrong.
रॉन्ग है तो करेक्ट कर दीजिए बेटा
425.
25 सिट डाउन उसके बाद आ रहे गुरनूर कौर उपल गुरनूर कौर उपल बेटा दोनों में से कितने आंसर्स करेक्ट किया बेटा 435 और 425
425.
वेरी गुड बेटा बैठ जाइए हाँ जी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आ जाइए केस स्टडी बच्चों प्लीज कम ऑन द केस स्टडी ए ब्लॉक ऑफिसर वाज गोइंग थ्रू टेलीफोन डायरेक्टरी ऑफ हिज एरिया ध्यान से पढ़ना बेटा ये जरा विलेज ब्लॉक ऑफिसर वाज गोइंग थ्रू टेलीफोन डायरेक्टरी ऑफ हिज एरिया he comes up with an idea to separate them on basis of their surnames their आना this की जगह ना बेटा their surnames in such a way which is visible and easy to understand बेटा उसने क्या किया कि उसने सबको ना सेपरेट करना है उनके सरनेम के बेस पे सरनेम मतलब किसी के साथ सिंह लग रहा है किसी के साथ शर्मा लग रहा है किसी के साथ वर्मा लग रहा है लाइक दिस ठीक है और वो दूर से नजर आ जाए मतलब ई जस्ट वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट द डाटा इन सच ए वे कि इट शुड बी विजिबल राइट देखते ही समझ आ जाए ठीक है, in a way which is visible and easy to understand. One of his की जगह आएगा his. One of his junior prepared the pictograph for this. His नहीं आएगा for this. Block officer was very impressed with his junior's effort. बेटा वो क्या कह रहा है कि उसके एक जूनियर ने ना एक पिक्टोग्राफ बनाया और वो ब्लॉक ऑफिसर को बड़ा पसंद आया. तो ये फॉलोइंग पिक्टोग्राफ गिवन है बेटा. फॉलोइंग पिक्टोग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट सम सरनेम्स ऑफ पीपल लिस्टेड इन द टेलीफोन डायरेक्टरी ऑफ ए सिटी. राइट, और ये हैंड का निशान बनाया है बेटा. एंड वन ऑन दिस सिंबल रिप्रेजेंट 100 पीपल. तो डिफरेंट सरनेम्स आर गिवन. खान, पटेल, राव, रॉय, साइकिया, सिंह. ठीक है जी, इज दिस क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी ना यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी. राइट, हर एरिया के सरनेम्स आ गए हैं इंडिया के. राइट, इज दिस क्लियर? How, on the basis of this, answer the following question. How many people have surname Roy? हाँ जी, कीरत कुमार. कीरत देव.
Sir, repeat the question.
बेटा आप अपनी असाइनमेंट उठाए. असाइनमेंट का
Yes.
ये पार्ट देखिए बेटा केस स्टडी का. हाउ मैनी रॉय? बेटा ये
Sir, 400.
400. Which surname appears the maximum number of times in the telephone directory? हाँ जी, which surname appears? निकेतन मरवाहा. हाँ जी बच्चे, which surname? पटेल. राइट, नेक्स्ट. बैठ जाइए बेटा. हाँ जी, श्लोक शर्मा. श्लोक शर्मा.
यहाँ से देते हैं. Sir, yes.
Question number C. Surname appears number of times.
Sir, Saikia.
Very good, beta. Please sit down. Charanveer. In section A. हाँ जी, Charanveer. Last question. Which two surname appear an equal number of times?
Sir, Roy and Rao.
Rao and Roy. Right. Very good. Please sit down. Next student आ जाइए बेटा. आदि सिंह. Section A. सिंह. आदि there.
Sir, yes.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Sir, yes.
My question is, what is the difference of maximum and minimum surname which appears? Difference of maximum and minimum.
300.
Gavin Singh Garcha. Garcha. What is the sum of Khan and Singh? What is the sum total of Khan and Singh? Very
650.
good, beta. So please sit down. Everything is clear to all of you, bache, regarding pictograph and telemarks. Any doubts, बच्चों? This assignment is clear to all of you? Right, बच्चों. So we'll close the class today. You have another class now? Right. So thank you very much, student, for joining. Thanks a lot, teachers.